Hi there, I promised all my friends that are interested in birds that I would show them my new aviary. As you can see, this is the top bit there, drainage, guttering. Right, now we're going to go in and have a look. Of course, double latched. And we've got the first pen. You'll have to excuse the mess. They've only been in here 3 or 4 days, but birds can make a mess. Come in, I've got all my brand new feeders. They're fantastic. And you've got all the separate seeds and millets in there. And then of course, this is the first pen. And this has got the red rumps and kakarikis in, and of course I've got a couple temporary quail that are staying here until they can get picked up. They're in the box, sleeping. And there we go. Say hello, birdies. There's Sue's babies. And there's Rose. And there's her new boyfriend. He's a handsome devil. Say hello. And then we've got my boy over there. That's the red rump pen. Okay. I move over here. I've got of course, my bits and pieces, my emergency stuff in my box, nets and dustpan brush. And we've got breeding cages, but at the moment only one has got 4 canaries in. They're Mark's birds. I don't do canaries. Oops, sorry. And then we go on to the next section, which of course is my beautiful birds, which I love a lot, loads, is the Turkesines, which I absolutely lovely. And of course, a few bauks. I've also got a few bauks at the moment. And then of course, I'll show you one of the features which I thought was very ingenious, is the windows. I've got windows double glazing, brand new of course, but they have this fantastic, I bet I'm not going to be able to turn it now, turning mechanism on them, which you can lift up and then clean the window, but then on top of that you can put it up there on the roof so it stays up there. Hey presto. Very clever device. Oops, I'll just put that back down again. I've got everything digitally thermostated. See, it's very posh. Because you've got to know the temperature, whether to bring the heater in or no. And then of course, into my main aviary, which is my cockatiels, of course. And there's some of my girls and my boys. So we'll get in there in a minute. And here's my little fun thing that I dug out of the ground. It's a dead tree, but and then there's grit covered in the bottom, so it's all safe for the bird. And they got some toys in there. And then of course boxes all brand new, and the same again with the window, all meshed. Hello my darling. And then of course you've got the boxes there. There's Tommy. Where's Chico? I can hear him. There he is, over in the corner over there. Chico! And there's Chico. He drives the neighbours mad because he does He does the phone ringing all the time. Hello, Chico. There you go. My lovely. What are you doing? Cooper. Storm and Darkness over there. Darkness is a pure white-faced female. So if I can get her face a minute so you can see what she looks like, just for Tracy Pool. That's my white-faced female. That's a bit of a mix up there. And then of course they've got the log that goes, it's kind of a stump, all the way along. And they've got their toys of course. And then it goes all the way along there. The roofing is quite good. It's very well done and very strong. Brilliant design work. Everything's flush and even. And there we go. This is not the finished process because we still have to put the winter touches to it, but that is the summer aviary. Thanks for watching. Bye.